Hello. Back day, that's what we've got going on right here. Starts with body rows. From body rows we'll move on to pull-ups. On the pull-up mate 2, I try all grips. So we've got pull-up grip, neutral grip, chin-up grip. Everything seems to be in about the 10 rep range, 3 sets. But we'll do shortened sets for the purpose of the video. But you can do the full set range at home when you're trying this out. So we start off with body rows on the parallel bars, pull-ups on the pull-up bar, move down to landmine rows, and then onto bent over rows with the dumbbells. That's a 40 kg dumbbell there to get a nice pump. Might switch the order around a little bit depending on how I'm feeling, but we're definitely going to start off with the body rows on the parallettes. As I said in the earlier video, a great piece of versatile equipment to help you do some really versatile workouts. So let's get into it. So that's 10. I'm now going to go into a inverted full body row. Lower rep range for this one because it's harder. Short rest. Work along with me. Another short rest. Okay, let's get inverted. Feeling the burn already. That one's really good for the lats. If you want to get those lats working, inverted body row, great exercise. Alright, let's move on. Feeling the form go there a little bit. So we'll keep the rep range low to keep the quality a little bit higher. That's 5. Let's try a different grip. That's 4. One more. Go for neutral grip next. 4 again. One more. Two for luck. Moving on around the circuit, landmine rows. You can get this stuff at home or order it online, use it at home. There's the attachment down here, something to hold it down in place. Hopefully it stays in place, and we go progressive up with the weights. Let's get it going. Okay, let's go. Right into the chest. Neutral spine. First set, 10. Let's go second set. Oh. Got 10 just in time. Let's see if we can adjust that. Getting a little bit of slippage. Okay. That's 2 sets of 10. Let's move up the weight. Hopefully it stays in position this time. Let's go. Let's see if we can get 10. Okay, and rest. Shake it out. Starting to feel the back, the scapula, the lats, and a little bit of burden in the biceps as well. So good exercises to really get the bicep going. The muscles that are at the back, but also just outside the core as well. Okay, set 2, let's go. Nice wide stance, neutral spine, chin up, and drive through to the chest. Rest and go up a weight. place. Secure that in, secure the weight. Let's go. Make sure everything's secure. Drive through to the chest. Might get a few less reps as it's a slightly heavier weight. Let's go. And 8. One more set after this. Make sure this is still aligned. It cantilevers, so in a gym you'd actually wedge it underneath something that's a bit more permanently fixed down, and it shouldn't move too much because there's a socket here that helps it angle and rotate to allow for the movement of your body and the movement of the bar side to side. Okay, last set. Let's see how many we can get. Let's go. Seven that time. This one's a really good exercise. Not only does it work the back, you can feel it in the scapula, in the lats, but it also, you have to stabilise your body with your legs, so you feel it in the quads and the glutes as well. So this one, very much like a full body exercise. Moving on to finish up back day, we do some bent over rows. Move this to one side. Okay, now you can use a lighter weight obviously. I've warmed up through all these exercises, so my arms and back should be ready to do this pull. We're just going to do 2 sets, see how many reps we can get to. We're going for power, so we're not going for high rep ranges for hypertrophy. We're going for power, so maybe 5 or 6 if we can get those out. If you're doing it at home, you can use a lighter weight, whatever might be suitable, be it 10, be it 20, be it whatever that weight may be. You do the one that's suitable for you. Always be careful to protect your spine on this one, so you've got to keep good posture. Okay, let's go. Okay, 6, switch arms. Other side. Let's go. Okay. Short rest. We'll do our second set, and that's a condensed version of back day. Just catch my breath, and then we'll go again. So this is an exercise regime that you can do. I call it back day, and my session is usually a little bit longer because I might maybe do 3 sets of each of the exercises that you've seen, again in between the 5 to 10 rep range, depending on the heaviness of the weight. The heavier the weight, then the less reps I tend to do, and you could do the same. Okay, let's go. Let's attack it. Get a nice firm grip. Good stance. neutral spine, and let's go. Six. And finally the other arm. Lock your core, it helps. Oh, there we go. Let's finish up with some pull-ups, because I did the wide grip, did the chin-up grip, but I don't think I did the straight pull, with the main grip, shoulder length pull-up grip. So let's do that and we're finished. One more. I'm going chin up grip this time. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and ring the bell for notifications for the next video. See you next time on Work In, Work Out.